How to start your business on the first day. Guys, my humble request to any restaurant owner who is planning to open a restaurant and they have never ever opened a restaurant in this place or never ever run this restaurant prior in that particular region or area or in the building, you must make sure you're doing the demo run. What is demo run? In this demo run, what we did in Langarimi restaurant in Reykjavik, we invited only our friends and family to visit here. We gave them a great discount for a certain price. They can have food, sodas, and ice cream. And what we learned was massive. Guys, we had electricity tripping. We never thought that it can happen on the first or the second day because we were moving the electric item and stove. Guys, you have to be really careful because sometime when you open for the whole public and they will be having a very bad impression on first or second days if you have what you call electricity gone out. So what we did here, we made sure first and second days we only do it for friends and family. They gave us their feedback, we took feedback on the food, how what can we do, and it was very crucial. Guys, you will learn in those 2 days like month of knowledge, and it will help you when you are going to open for the regular guest. So please make sure you open the demo run first and then you open for everyone. Guys, thanks a lot for watching my YouTube channel and please subscribe to it. And guys, please